Krishna Nidhi Clubhouse. Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to sing a beautiful Diwali song. So sing with me. This is the way we clean our homes, clean our homes, clean our homes. This is the way we clean our homes to celebrate Diwali. This is the way we light the lamps, light the lamps, light the lamps. This is the way we light the lamps to celebrate Diwali. This is the way we give out gifts, give out gifts. This is the way we give out gifts to celebrate Diwali. This is the way we eat our sweets, eat our sweets, eat our sweets. This is the way we eat our sweets to celebrate Diwali. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali. If you like our videos, please subscribe. Don't forget. Hope you liked my video. Please subscribe and like to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.